Start recording. Okay. So we have this question of question 3 that was remaining. Okay, we say that you have to draw a histogram for given data using a graph paper and find the mode. Okay, so we will draw the histogram. Okay, so we will use graph paper here and we have up to 28 on the ground, we have up to 60. Right, so we will take this. I think this should be enough. Okay, so uh, we'll take each block as 5. So we have 10 here, and we have 20 here, and we have this 5. And here we have each block is use the pen. So we have 0 to 10, 5 student, 10 to 20, 15 student. Maximum is 28. So we'll mark it. What is the scale given? Scale given is 2 centimeters is 10 marks, and 2 centimeters is 10 students. So okay, we'll follow our own this thing. So this is say 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, or this is 25, this is 30. Okay, and here we have this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 60. Right? So 0 to 10 is 0 to 10 is 5. 0 to 10 is 5 and 10 to 20 is 15. So 0 to 10 is 5. 0 to 10 is 5. So 0 to 10 is 5, 20 to 20 is 15. Next is 20 to 30 is 20. So 20 to 30 is 20. 20 to 30 is perfect. 20 to 30. Next is 30 to 40 is 28. So 30 to 40 is 28. 30 to 40 is somewhere close to 30, but not exactly 30. So we'll take in this thing. Next, 40 to 50 is 20 and 50 to 60 is 12. So 20 and 12. Okay. 40 to 50 is 20. 40 to 50 20. And then you have 12. And you have 50 to 60 is 12. So 12 will be somewhere. It will have to this thing. I will match it. Now we have to find. Okay. Now we have to find histogram using graph to find the mode. So we have to find the mode. So mode is a class which has maximum occurrence. Okay. So the class which has maximum occurrence is this, which is actually 30 to 40. But how do you find the mode? So for finding the mode, what we do is we draw this line. We connect the lower boundary to the boundary of the model class, and we connect this boundary with the boundary of the model class. Okay, and the connecting point, this is the mode of the, this is actually 35. I'll show you, there is a formula also for doing it. Okay, so the model class is here. This is the mode. This is the mode. Okay, around 35. I'll tell you the formula. Formula is if you want to use the formula for finding a mode in a model class, I plus f1 minus f0 over 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is the formula for finding mode within a model class, which is actually this is f0, this is f1, this is f0, frequency of the class below the model class, and this is f2. Okay, put these value. H is the class height. Okay, h is class height, which here in this case is 20 to 30, which is 10. So h is 10. Okay, and f1 is 28. And what is f0? What is f0? F0 is this is 20. And what is f2? That is also 20. And I is okay. So putting these values, you arrive at the mode, and that works out to 35. Now we'll do next one. Kind, find a point. They have written kind, let's say typing mistake. Find a point P which is, yeah, this I have done. Okay, in the previous video you check it out. And then the secondary word also I have done. Now next is use a graph paper for this question. Take 2 centimeters 1 unit along both axes. Again another graph question. So plot the points A, B, C, D and the origin. Redirect B, C, D. So we will do first plot. Take 2 centimeters 1 unit. Okay. We are not going by their centimeter units, but we'll do the graph here. Okay. Now your this is your x-axis. Let me choose red color. I think that will make more sense. Okay. So uh, this is y-axis. Okay. Yes. And this is x-axis. Handwriting is a little bad, but I think this conveys the purpose. Okay, so we'll take each one as 1 unit. So this becomes 1, this becomes, okay, this becomes 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this becomes minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is minus 1, minus 2. Typical, your xy axis. Okay, minus 4, minus 5. This is your negative x-axis. This is a positive x-axis. That is how you do the sums, right? And this is a positive y-axis, and this is your down is your negative y-axis, right? Now, what are the points given? Points, I guess, are all in first quadrant. Okay, close this, close this. Point is plot the points 0, 4, 2, 2. So A is E is the origin. So origin's name is E. First we'll write the origin name. Origin is E. This is your E, which is 0, 0. Okay, we'll change the color so it will make more sense. Let's make it black. Okay, so this is E. This is your E 0, 0. Next is A. A is 0, 4. B is 2, 2. A is 0, 4 means x axis is 0, y axis is 4. So this is your A. 0, 4. B is 2, 2. So 2, 2 will be here. This is your B. 2, 2. Okay. Next is C is 52, D is 40. C is 52, D is 40. C is 52. So 52 is here. This is your C. 52. And E00. So how many points? A, B, C, D. D is 40. Okay, C is 52, 22, D is 40. So you have 40 here. So you have D here 40. This is your D. A, B, C, D, and you have E. Okay. Now the question begins. Question is plot the points. Done. Perfect. So you got 1 mark. Okay. Plots are done. Reflect BCD on the y-axis. So BCD will reflect on the y-axis. So B has to be reflected on y-axis, and what is the new name to be given? That also you check. Reflect BCD on the y-axis and name them as B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, as you say. So B on the y-axis, when it will reflect means this acts as a mirror. Y acts as a mirror. That means B dash will be at the equal distance from the mirror on the opposite side. So this is your B dash. C dash will be at the same point and the same distance, which is 2, 3, 4, 5. This is C dash. Coordinates will be minus 5, 2. Coordinates will be 2, minus 2, and 2. And D is, where was D? D was 40, right? So this becomes 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is D dash. This becomes minus 40. And then what to do? B, C, D are plotted. So another 1 mark. Join the points A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash, and A dash. Okay. Join the points. Which points to join? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash. So first A, B, C, D. First A, B, C, D. Join the points A, B. Oh no, what is happening? Oh, okay, so join the points A, B, C, D. We will again use it. Join the points A, B, correct? C, D, then join the point A, B, C, D, then D dash, C dash, B dash. So D, D dash, D to D dash, then C dash, B dash, and A. So where is D dash? D to D dash, D to D dash, and D dash to C dash. Okay, and C dash to B dash, and B dash to A dash. So this is the image, my dear friend. Okay. So what is that image? So one more mark you have earned. You have to just name it. So what do you see here? You see there are how many arms are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So there are 7 arms. So this will be which gone? So this won't be hexagon because CC dash is also connected. So one, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7 arms are there. So this will be hecta, hexa, hecta. What is the 7 arms? I'll tell you in one more. So this is a heptagon. Okay. Sixth is known as hexa. Okay. And 8 is known as octa. So this is heptagon. Okay. That's it. Now next question we'll do. Next question is geometric name is given. The next question is solid wooden cylinder of radius 6 centimeter and height this. This is a very easy question. So you have a wooden cylinder and you are given radius and height. So first we'll calculate cylinder. Cylinder volume is equal to, what is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h, which is pi into what is the radius of the cylinder? 6 centimeters. And what is the height? That is 16 centimeters. So I will not solve it, I'll rather let it be like this. So I get 16 into 36 pi centimeter square. This is the cylinder's volume. Now what is the volume of the cone that has been dug out? So volume of cones, there are two cones, is equal to 2 into, so 2 because there are two cones. 2 into, what is volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is the radius of the cylinder? Radius is 2. What is the height of the cylinder? That is 6. 3 2s are 6. So this becomes 2 into 4 into 2. That is what? 16 pi. So what is the question? Find the volume of the remaining solid. So if you take something out from something, whatever is remaining, what do? You subtract, right? Volume of remaining solid is volume of cylinder minus volume of cones. That is equal to how much? 36 into 16 pi minus 16 pi. So what is left? 35 into 16 pi. You take 16 pi common, so you get 36 minus 1. And what is pi? Pi is 22 by 7, that is 35 into 16 into 22 by 7. 7 fives are 35. 522 is 110. 110 into 16 is 110 into 16 is how much? 1760 centimeter square. So that is the answer for this. Now next is two chords AB and CD of a circle intersect externally at E. Very good. So at EC is equal to 2, EA is equal to 3, AB is equal to 5. So what is given? AB. AB. Okay. So if EA is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 5, that means what is EB? EB is 3 plus 5, 8 centimeter. And this we don't know. So this we assume this is X. Now you know one theorem by which if I draw a tangent here, say meeting at point T, then EB into EA is going to be how much? Is going to be ET square. And so is true for the other chord, which is, that is the chord tangent theorem, which is EC into ED. Okay. Now let's take this presumed one out. So we will rather equalize these two. So we have EB into EA. EB is 3 centimeter. EA is sorry, EB is 8 centimeter. So 3 into 8 is EC is 2 centimeter. ED is X plus 2. So all of these steps you'll have to write, that assuming CD is equal to X, ED is equal to this. Okay. And the formula, the concept above. So this becomes 24 is equal to 2 into X plus 2. So then X plus 2 is equal to 24 over 2, that is 12. So X is equal to 12 minus 2, that is 10 centimeter. Free marks, 2 marks you earned, which is free. Line AB is perpendicular to CD, coordinates of BC and D are this. Okay, so what we have to find? Find this. Acha, this diagram is given. BCD are given, line AB is perpendicular to CD, AB is perpendicular to CD. So what is the question? Question is slope of CD. So slope of CD is very easy. Slope of CD is slope of a line which is connecting 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is What is slope of that line? So we will start from here. This is space I have deliberately left. Slope of CD is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, wherein x1, y1 are C and D coordinates. So what is these coordinates? So this and this. Okay. So that is 3, this is 0 minus 1, right? Plus 1 divided by 4 minus 0. That is 4 over 4. That is 1. Next question. Next question is equation of AB. Okay. Now we know that the two lines are perpendicular to each other. So AB is perpendicular to CD. Hence, slope of AB is equal to AB into slope of CD will be minus 1. Two lines that are perpendicular to each other, their slope is minus multiplied with minus 1. This is also written as m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So slope of AB will be minus 1 divided by 1, that is minus 1. So this becomes the m for AB. For AB whose equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Right? Correct or not? So that means this is equal to y is equal to minus x plus c. That is the equation of AB. Now AB passes through B. AB passes through B. So this equation has to satisfy coordinates of. I'll tell you another approach also. What is the coordinate of B? B is 4 0. Right? So we'll put that value. So in case of B, y is equal to 0, x is minus 4 plus c. So c is 4. So equation of AB is AB क्या हुआ equation? Equation of AB is y is equal to minus x plus 4 or y plus x is equal to 4. This is y, not 4. Okay. This is also y. I'll rather correct it. Yeah. Other approach is if you know that slope of a line is m and it passes through some point, m sloped line passing through some point x1 y1. So what is the equation of that line? That is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So we could have put this value of b40 in this, which is y minus 0 is equal to m is equal to minus 1. X minus, what was x1? In this case, b's coordinate will become, which were 4 zeros. So x1 is 4, right? X minus 4. That works out to y is equal to minus x plus 4 or y plus x is equal to 4. So we arrive at the same thing. Okay. Now next question. The mean of the following distribution is 50. Find the unknown frequency. Now this is very easy. You have class interval. So okay, we'll make a table. We'll make a table here. Okay. Start from here on. So how many columns do I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rows and 1. I have to do sigma fx over sigma f. Okay. That's it. So this is for your, and one more point. So how many other? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this is for title. So first I will write the class. Okay, then next the middle point of the class. Okay, then your f, then your fx. Okay, so here we go. So we have first classes 0 to 20. 0 to 20. This has frequency 6. So what is the class midpoint? Midpoint is going to be 10. So this is A. This is class. Rather X. What is the frequency? Frequency is 6. Then next one 20 to 40. Midpoint is 30. Then next one 40 to 60. 60 to 80. 8. 20 to 40 is F. 20 to 40 is F. And 40 to 60 is 8. 60 to 80 is 12. Sorry, what 8? This 8 will not come. Okay, so this 60 to 80 is 12. And midpoint will be 70. Right? Next one more class 80 to 100. So this is 90. And this is 8. So what is the sigma f? Here we are doing what is sigma f? Sigma f is 6, 8, 14, 14 and 20. Will be 20 plus 14, 34. So this becomes 34 plus f. Right? And what is sigma fx? So here we are doing fx. 6 into 10 is 60, 30f is 30f, 58 into 8, 400, this is 70, 60, 80, 12, this is 12. 70 into 12, that is 840. This is 90 into 8 is 720. So now use your calculator and find out. 60, 40 is 460, 460, 40 is 500, 1300 and 2020 plus 30f. I hope my calculation is right. So what we have to find is we have to find mean. So mean is sigma fx over sigma f. That is 2020 plus 3f. That is 2020 plus 30f over 34f plus f. And that is equal to what? 50. Right? Is given. Right? So we'll solve it. So we arrive at, rather do it here. So that is 2020 plus 30f is equal to 34 into 50 is 1700 plus 50f. So 50 minus 30, this f will take on this side, so it will change its sign. So it will become 50 minus 30, that is 20f is equal to, this will bring on this side. So 2020 minus 1700 is 320. Correct? 2020 minus 1700 is 320. So f is equal to 320 over 20, that is 16. So f is 16. If my numbers are right, otherwise you do the numbers. Okay. Next. Okay. So where we were at question number 2. That part 2 is over. Okay, now we'll do third one, which says prove that 1 plus sine theta square and plus 1 minus sine theta whole square divided by 2 cos square theta is equal to this. Now we will use one property of algebraic property, identity. We know that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus b square. So presuming a is 1 and b is sine theta, we have 1 plus sine theta whole square which is a plus b square, 1 minus sine theta whole square which is a minus b whole square. So the numerator becomes 2 into 1 square is 1 plus sine square theta over 2 cos square theta, right? That is 2 by 2. Now 2 gets adjusted with 2, right? So we have 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta, which is 1 over cos square theta plus sine square theta over cos square theta. Now I think you would have guessed. Question is done, which is actually 1 by 1 over cos square theta is sec square theta. And what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? That is tan square theta. So how many steps it took? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps question. And how many marks you got? 3 marks free. Next. Mean of the following distribution. This we have done, right? I think this we had left the trigo one. Next one is prove that 1 plus tan square theta over 1 plus sec theta is equal to sec theta. This is also very easy. Okay, so we'll do it right here or we will do it here. Here we will do it. So we have 1 plus tan square theta over 1 plus sec theta. LHS. Right? Now what is tan square theta? We know tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. You know that or not? 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1 divided by sec theta plus 1. Now you know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here presume a is 1 and b is sec. A is sec theta and b is 1. So a square is sec square theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus 1 and sec theta minus 1. So we'll break it up. That becomes 1 plus sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1. And you have sec theta plus 1 in numerator also. So numerator denominator it is cut. So what I am left with is 1 plus sec theta minus 1. 1 and 1 is cut. So what is left is sec theta, which is RHS. Let's prove. These were also 3 marks. Okay, so this is done. Now next is in the given figure A, B, C and D are points in the circle with center O. Given ABC is equal to 60. ABC, this angle is given. Okay, next we have to find out ADC. Now if you see chord AC makes two angles on one side of the circle, which is angle ABC is equal to AC makes two angles. Angle ABC and angle ADC. And angles on the same side of the circle will be equal. So angle ADC is equal to angle ABC is equal to 62 degrees. So first part is answered. Next, CAB. What is CAB? O is the center. If O is the center, AB is the diameter. Okay, O is center. That means AB is diameter. Any chord that passes through the center is diameter. An angle within a semicircle. What is the property? Angle in a semicircle is always at 90 degree, right? So that means this angle is 90 degrees. That means angle ACB is 90 degree. and angle ABC is equal to 62 degree. So in triangle ABC, what is left? In triangle ABC has three angles, which is angle BAC, that is left, okay, plus angle ACB plus angle ABC. So these two you know, right? So angle BAC is equal to, and what is the sum of all angles in a triangle? That is 180 degree. Okay. So angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 62. That is 180 minus 152. That is 152, 8, 160, 28 degrees. Yes. Sorry. That is 28 degrees. Okay. The next question is find the equation of a line parallel to 2x plus y minus 7. This question will do here. This question will do here. Find the equation of a line parallel to the line 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So, what is the slope of 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0? So, we'll put it in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, in this form, what we will write? We will write y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. So, then you compare this with this, m becomes minus 2. M is minus. Parallel lines always have same slope. Parallel lines carry same slope. So what is the slope of the line parallel to this line? So slope is going to be, slope of the new line is going to be minus 2, and we will use the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So that means line is of the form y is equal to minus 2x plus c. Y is equal to line is the form y is equal to minus 2x plus c. Now we don't know what is c. We have to figure out. And c, and it says that line passes through the intersection of this and this. So what is the intersection concept? Intersection concept is intersection of this point will be, these two lines will be a point which will satisfy both the equations. That means we have to find solution of these equations. One is x plus y is equal to 4, another is 2x minus y is equal to 8. So their intersection point will be solution of this these two equations. How will you solve it? Tell me. Two equations. So let's solve it. So let's add it up. So y gets cancelled out. So we get 3x is equal to 12. That means x is equal to 4. Put x is equal to 4 in any of the equations. We get y is equal to 0. So 4 0 is the point. Is their intersection point. Now 4 0 is the point from which line y is equal to, अपनी जो line थी, y is equal to minus 2x plus c is passing through. So y is equal to minus 2x plus c passes through 4 0. So we'll put this value, putting values, y is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to, sorry, y is equal to 0 is equal to minus 2 into 4 plus c. That means c is equal to 8. So that means what is the equation of the line? The equation of the line is, equation of the line is y is equal to minus 2x plus 8, or y plus 2x is equal to 8. So this is the answer. Next one is, next one we have to draw an Ojai. Oh, guy. Okay. Marks obtained by 40 students in an examination are given below. We have marks, we have number of students. You have to draw a graph paper. Using graph paper, draw an Ojai and estimate the median marks. Take this. Along one axis and 2 centimeters, 5 students. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll do cumulative frequency of this. So let's say cumulative frequency I do here to know what is the what is the maximum mark on this. So what is the cumulative frequency? We'll do cumulative frequency. Yeah. So this is 3. This is 3 at 11. This is 11, 14, 25. This is 25, 9, 34. 34 for 38 and 38 to 40. So 40 is the maximum space we will need on y-axis. That is the total number of students. Okay. Now we will draw this 10 to 20, 20, 30, 40. So how many are there? 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll run your guy here on this side. Okay. So you have a lot of space here. So wow, not a straight. So another straight line. And this side also. Where is it going? Okay. So oh no. Come on. This looks okay. So this is the origin. Okay, now we have to draw 2 centimeters 10 marks along one axis, 2 centimeters 5 students. 2 centimeters 5 we can take. So 8 into 16 we'll rather we'll rather take this as no. Okay. So we take this as 0 0. This is x axis. X axis. We have marks here, and this is students. Y axis we have, so we have say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. On this side we have to go up to what point? 60, 70. Okay, so we'll take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 2020 how much? 2020 is 3 students. Okay. So again 10 to 20 is 3 students. So 3 will be somewhere here. Okay. We'll take upper boundary. Okay. So this becomes first point 20 and 3. Next one is 20 to 30 we have 11. Okay. We always take cumulative frequency. Okay. So 20 to 30 is 11. From 30 we'll draw a line which will be close to 11. Somewhere here. So this will become 30, 11. Then we have 30, 11. Okay. Then we have 40, 25. So from 40 we'll take 25 is here. 30, 11, 10, 20, 20. Oh, we have taken this mistake. 30. This is 10. This is 20. This is 30. This is 40. Okay. So here we'll take. Not there. That one is wrong. Okay. So this is your uh, 40, 25. Right, then we have 50, 34. Then we have 50. This is 30, this is 40, this is 50. 50 is 34. Uh, somewhere 50 is 34. So slightly below 35, say this. This is the point. 50 is 34. Okay. And the next one is 60 is 38. You don't have to look at the x-axis. Will rather take one point away. 60 is 38. 60 is 38. 60 is 38 and 70 is 40, I guess. 70 is 40. The 70 is 40. Here. Now we'll connect these dots. Okay. 10 was not there. 20 was there. 3. So 23 will connect to, and I'll rather use another color to make it look brighter. Okay. So this is how your O guy will running. Okay. Then I have this. Then I have. Then I have this. This is my O guy. This was 40, 70, 40. This was 40. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now. Oh no. Okay. What I did. Yeah. So I'll connect again. This is 30. Then this is 40. Then this is this. And here. This is my yoga. Now they are saying you have to find a median mark. So now what is the total number of students? That is 40. So median will be sigma n by 2. That is 40 by 2. That is going to be 20. So we'll take, what I'll do is at 20, we'll draw a line and find its value on the x-axis. This looks to be the case. 35. So on the x-axis we get 35. So that is the median mark. 35 is the answer. Or whatever, when you are drawing a fair diagram, so you will get to see what exactly do you get. So that marks the end of this paper. Let me again revisit and see if anything I left. Okay. Now, yeah, okay, almost everything is done, and I'll be more than glad, in case you can understand anything, you can leave your comments and we'll discuss. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please subscribe this. We'll have more question papers added and you will get an alert. Thank you.